Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we're a sneaker review and unboxing of the ADIDAS CLIMACOOL 1. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly, drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way, and I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the ADIDAS CLIMACOOL 1. We got this in the red core black colorway, in the UK size 8, it's US 8.5, as the European 42. So we're taking it back to the 2000s guys with one of the Y2K classics, the CLIMACOOL 1. As I mentioned before, this reminds me heavily of the early 2000s. I remember loads of guys be wearing Adidas tracksuit and some CLIMACOOLs to match. This was like an Air Max 95 back in the day, Air Max Plus TNs. This was like Adidas's answer, and if you had these, they were really cool in my mind. And it was very innovative at the time, and I'll get to those specs now actually. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole, you got a rubber outsole here. You can kind of see this like rubber, clear rubber as well, that makes the structure of the outsole. And then on the midsole, so this midsole is essentially a foam midsole reinforced with that rubber. But what makes it cool is the whole upper. So if you were here to look on the upper, you've got big open mesh right there. You can see it all around, and it's in this red colorway. But if you look closer here at the middle and lateral side, where the black and the three stripes are, it is essentially some chambers. It's open mesh right here. Obviously you can feel like the plastics that surround it, but just underneath that, it's open mesh, very transparent. And that's where the CLIMACOOL gets its name from, because it's essentially a ventilator to cool down your feet. Tongue, you got that CLIMACOOL on the padded tongue. You got some rope laces right there on the heel, and again you can see like these little windows of perforation and essentially ventilation right there. You can see it just in the Adidas logo. It's found at the top of the heel. And the insole, you've got a synthetic insole right there for you. Very lightweight sneaker. Obviously it was built to be this running kind of inspired sneaker. And what I want to mention is that we're seeing a lot of that these days. I mentioned it in a lot of the videos that Y2K fashion is kind of coming back in these 2020, 25s. That's what you want to call it. And the Gen Z crowd, they're just finding out about Y2K fashion. They're picking up your Asics, the Gel Kayanos. They're picking up Air Max Plus TNs. I mean, those are never gone out of fashion in my humble opinion. But you're getting a lot of that New Balance like 530 looks that's coming through, the New Balance 1906. And then, I mean, I haven't seen loads of people wear it recently, but Adidas have kind of recently released the Adidas CLIMACOOL 1s, and it's only a matter of time that you see these hit the streets as well. Very easy to wear, lightweight, it's got that retro look. Can't wait to try these on and show you what it looks like on the on feet. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Adidas fit. I typically wear a size UK 8, and this fits perfectly. Very lightweight, a little bit narrow where my arch is right here. As you can see, like there's barely any space there. But other than that, it's a very good sneaker, very comfortable. It's a bit cold here in the studio, so I can feel the cold air creeping up my feet. But I can tell if it's a hot day, nice summer, these are really good to wear. Breathable, something you need for the summer. And it's got that Y2K look. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, kind of picked the worst color to go with my joggers, or I picked the worst thing to go with the sneakers. But I can tell if you're wearing some shorts, it's a vibe. I had like some black joggers as well, it's a vibe as well. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Till next time, peace.